Another brand that I have fallen in love with is the Skin Diva. This right here is the Matrixyl Synthe 6 serum with hyaluronic acid. This is one of the peptides that I use in the evening, and it is a beautiful anti-aging serum for you to add to your skincare routine for your anti-aging needs. I'm going to read a little bit. It's the Anti Wrinkle Skin Matrix Repair. 2 to 3 drops on the fingertips onto cleansed skin morning and night. Matrixyl is a very, very well-known peptide that lots of people suggest that we add to our routine. And I think it's a great one. This Skin Diva brand that I have come across has quickly become one of my favorites. It's natural, it's paraben free. They don't use any excess in ingredients to make for the lack of the actives. They say we like to keep it simple and effective. If you want to know what Matrixyl Synthe 6, it's a powerful peptide that stimulates 6 components of the skin matrix. It improves synthesis of collagen 1, 3, 4. It's just a great, great peptide. So I suggest that if you're trying to work on your anti-aging skincare, put this in your cart today.